In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital product on Sellfy, first product. To get started, open the official Sellfy website and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Products. This is where you'll manage everything you want to sell in your store. Next, click Add New Product to begin creating your first item. Sellfy offers different product types, so when the options appear, choose Digital Product. This is the correct category for downloadable items like templates, ebooks, guides, design assets, or other digital files. Now it's time to upload your file. You can either drag and drop the file directly into the upload area, or click Browse and select it from your computer. If your product includes more than one file, don't worry. You can add additional files as part of the same product. Sellfy supports multiple uploads, and if you're working with a larger bundle, using a zip or RAR archive can help keep everything organized. After the file upload, enter your product name. Make this clear and specific so customers instantly understand what they're buying. For example, a title like Ultimate Canva Social Media Templates tells the buyer exactly what to expect. Then add your product description. This is where you explain what the customer will receive. Include useful details like the file format, how many templates or items are included, and anything else they should know before purchasing. A strong description helps reduce confusion and makes your listing look more professional. Next, set your price by entering the amount you want customers to pay. Be sure to double check this before saving, since pricing is one of the most important parts of the product setup. After that, upload preview images for your product. These visuals help customers see what they're getting, which is especially important for digital products. Good preview images can make your listing more appealing and easier to trust. Once everything is uploaded, review the product settings carefully. Check the name, description, price, uploaded files, and preview images. Most importantly, confirm that the correct digital file is attached before you publish anything. When everything looks good, click Save Product. This creates your first digital product in Sellfy. After saving, open the product page in your store and review how it appears from the customer's perspective. This final check helps you catch anything that might need adjusting. Finally, if you haven't already, set up your payment options so customers can actually buy the product. Once that's connected, Sellfy will host the digital file and automatically deliver the download after a successful purchase.